Hey, welcome to Fanatical Siderider. It's May 4th, 2025. What a beautiful day it is. It's warm and it's mid-afternoon. I wanted to get out for a rip, so I'm going to head down to Stirling. And wow, was there ever a lot of machines on the trail today? Ran into a lot of people along the way, and it's just a nice ride. Seeing some green fields and waters. Heck of a lot better than seeing snow all the time. So yeah, great to get out. Well, this area, this part of the trail was been more flooded now than I've ever seen. I don't know what's going on here. Maybe all the rain we've had, but it seems like it is a lot flooded more than I've ever seen, no matter how much rain we've had. And we got another machine coming here. We stopped. I talked to this guy, and his name was Jeremy, and he's a viewer of the channel. So it was nice meeting you, Jeremy. And I like your Polaris. Really nice looking machine.
I think I watch your YouTube videos. You might. Yeah, fanatical side ride. Yeah, that's hilarious.
Yeah, you from around here?
Yeah, Frankfurt.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I was watching.
Not much going on at the junction here. I thought there'd be all kinds of people sitting here, but not at this moment there wasn't. So we'll just continue on our way to Stirling. So here we are heading to Springbrook, and going to McEwen Motors here. There's a bunch of tractors and dealership for tractors, Jeeps, Chrysler, Dodge, and I think they have Massey Ferguson and other brands of tractors and that. And I've seemed to take an interest in this sort of thing lately, farm equipment, tractors and implements and that sort of thing, because I'm watching this. I found this channel. It's called Laura Farms, and they live in Nebraska, her and her husband, and they farm a lot of farm ground. They don't call it farmland, they call it farm ground. They grow corn and soybeans, I believe, and they got like hundreds and hundreds of acres, and they're always buying more. They got a huge operation with large John Deere tractors and huge equipment, and it's a lot of work what they're doing. And it's seasonal though. In the winter they don't farm at all, but when it's farm season they're busy. And her name's Laura. She was 23. She's 23 now, but back in COVID days she was going to college, and when COVID broke out she got sent home, and she decided to help her family out with the farm, and it just took off from there. She got married, and They got their own place, their own farm now, her and her husband, and it's crazy. Like, it's been generations of family, many generations that farm in that area, and there's so much to learn. Like, stuff I've never even knew about before. I'm learning now. Yeah, I just find it really interesting. So go check her channel out. That's Laura Farms. It's a big channel, and I'm sure you'll find it pretty entertaining and educational. Nice to see green fields again. Nothing like spring. Look at that scenery. You got some yellow flowers over there, right there. Nice. Lots of people on the trail today. Met a guy who's a viewer. Look at this. That's a nice little swimming hole. Looks like about 5 feet deep there in the middle. Beautiful. White lightning's running real good. Must be all that AMSOIL in there, making that motor run smooth. Want to get some of that AMSOIL in your machine? Go right there, atvoil.ca. And if you have a couple machines like ATVs, side-by-sides, lawnmowers, cars, trucks, trimmers, lawn tractors, all that kind of stuff, snowblower, check out the preferred customer program they have. You can save a lot of money using that, up to 25%. So check that out. I'll put a link below this video for that preferred customer program. And you're talking about premium oil, not just some any old oil. This is premium oil for your machine. There's been lots of studies done about it, and AMSOIL is one of the top brands, if not the top, the first in synthetic oils. Again, go to atvoil.ca. That's my website. Check it out, guys. wide open spaces. Well, I thought I'd take a different way here into Stirling. Up ahead is the fairgrounds and the arena. And on this weekend in Stirling, they had a antique automobile parts flea market kind of thing. So I just drove up there to go see if there was anything going on there still, but seeing it was late in the day, there wasn't much going on. There was a few people, but not many. No, I didn't see any auto parts or anything like that. Just a bunch of campers and cars and things like that. People probably packing up, getting ready to leave. It's a big thing here in Stirling, this flea market. So just cruising through this old town, and here's the Gay Lee Butter Factory right here where they make the butter. And when you're at the lights here, sometimes you can see them in there working with the big piles of butter and that. This is the main drag, the old drag, and then there's a feed store up here in the corner, but I don't show it to you. But yeah, you still see the Amish going there with their horses and wagons and picking up their supplies. Pretty cool, this old town. Here I am passing this family here with the young kids on their ATVs. They look like they're out having a good time. Well, just about home now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon on another video. Time to be out riding.